Hey guys, Samantha Starlight 808 here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's another unboxing and review day. So this package came in the mail. I don't know when, but I have another Mickey Mouse Clubhouse DVD. And this is Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Choo-Choo Express, a full-length adventure. So here's what the front is like. It's got Mickey, Pluto, Minnie, Daisy, Donald Duck, Goofy, Snow Mouse, and a big elephant. And there's the train, and it only works with the Mickey remote. Mickey mode, I mean. So yep, that was the front. Here's the spine. We get the profile picture of Mickey Mouse and the back. So the only episode for this DVD is, again, Choo-Choo Express. And it comes with the bonus episode, Mickey's Big Job, and a song, Choo-Choo Express by They Might Be Giants. This DVD came out in 2009. I forgot it was still waiting for it to be delivered, but now it did. Again, this is a 2009 DVD, and the running time is, let me see if I can find it. Oh, 47 minutes. 47 minutes, okay. So let's get this DVD unsealed. Okay, so I got the DVD unsealed. So now, here's the disc. Okay, and that's it for my unboxing and review day. So, see you guys very soon. Bye!